Welcome to the lesson on battery electric vehicle standards for high voltage systems. As safety is crucial when dealing with high voltage systems, in this lesson you will learn about the standards adopted in the automotive industry and why the standards are important for technicians. Let us look at our lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain how to maintain a safe BEV work bay when you work on high voltage systems. Next, you will be able to detail the list of steps to follow, which are essential to maintaining a safe BEV work bay environment while working on high voltage systems. And lastly, you will be able to describe the procedures that are needed to ensure your personal safety and the safety of the work bay environment while working on high voltage systems. Working on high voltage systems and BEVs requires strict adherence to safety standards to ensure the well-being of personnel and the reliability of the vehicles. These standards are continuously evolving to keep pace with technological advancements and address emerging safety concerns. By adhering to and staying updated on the standards and regulations from relevant organizations such as the Code of Federal Regulations, technicians can ensure their safety and the safety of others and prevent electrical hazards. In this lesson, we will cover the key terminologies and concepts essential to understanding the standards required for BEV high-voltage systems. Next, we will explore the levels of voltage found in BEV high-voltage systems. This is followed by explaining what a floating ground is in the context of high-voltage systems and its safety implications. Next, we will introduce the one-hand rule, a safety practice used when working with high-voltage systems to minimize the risk of electrical shock. Later, we describe an interlock circuit and its role in enhancing safety in high-voltage systems. Finally, we explain the isolation fault detection system, which is designed to detect faults in the insulation of high-voltage systems that could lead to electrical leakage or shock hazards.